cineink.com.
I studied at Harrow School, the famous boarding school in northwest London, where I did my GCSEs and my A-levels. Very lucky to attend there thanks to a scholarship. The place has had many famous alumni such as Jawaharlal Nehru, first Indian Prime Minister, Winston Churchill, one of several British Prime Ministers who attended. And after that I applied to Oxford to study philosophy, politics and economics, where I had a great 3 years and gained my undergraduate degree, and then found myself working in finance, as many do from that university, for a year and a half, and I guess it wasn't really for me in the long term, and I always felt as though I wanted to start my own business, and in December of last year I founded Atcha, a new Indian food business where we serve healthy grab and go food for the lunchtime delivery market. We do good for you Indian food for the lunchtime grab and go market. We serve salads, rice balls and toasted sandwiches, all with an Indian twist. The idea being that we take everything that we love about Indian flavors and Indian cuisine and present that in a format that's convenient and practical for people who want to eat well and eat fast. Our food is freshly prepared on the day. We package it in compostable and recyclable packaging. Our menu is about 40% vegan, and we currently serve our customers via delivery, and very soon we're offering click and collect directly from our kitchen. So this is a selection of our menu. We have some of our salads. So we have our paneer salad, which is a salad inspired by, everyone loves paneer. We use sprouts, which are becoming very popular now, and a buckwheat salad. This is our southern bowl, so a sort of medley of home-cooked South Indian classics that we serve, another vegan rice bowl. This is our chicken salad. We use Haryali marinade with chicken thigh. This here is the salmon box, another salad that we serve with a beetroot Kerala thoran and some kosambi, another South Indian favourite. This is our no butter chicken. We make a butter chicken, the famous Indian dish without butter, with Kerala red rice. And finally, this is the northern bowl, our favourites from sort of comfort North Indian food in one bowl. Is a sandwich which we call the collie sandwich, which is, we use a gobi, like an Indian cauliflower dish, and we make it into a sandwich. We add to this a vegan mayonnaise made with cashew nuts, which goes really well texture-wise with the softness of the cauliflower, which Louise is making now. And we also add a bit of pickled ginger just for a bit of twang. So Louise is adding a bit of vinegar, and then it's just a case of blending it with some cashew nuts. And you'll be surprised actually how similar it tastes to a traditional mayonnaise, but this collie sandwich is completely vegan, and it's fast becoming a favourite with our customers. So the concept is is it's Indian fast food. I think we, like most people who set up a business, we wanted to try and solve a problem that we had personally, and that was that it's very difficult to find good quality, good for you Indian food at lunch. You know, Indian food, arguably one of the most popular cuisines in the UK, but still hasn't really made much of an entrance into that sort of grab and go or premium fast food space. As a delivery food company, our business model at the moment is fairly simple. We have overheads, we pay rent for the kitchen and our staff, and we're really looking now to put as much time and money into marketing and getting our name out there, because right now we're virtually unknown. So the goal over the next 3 to 6 months is to concentrate on becoming a successful delivery business, and hoping things go well, we'll then start to look for our first permanent site, which will become a lot trickier in terms of our business model. You may have heard about in the UK a lot of the difficulties that retail businesses are facing. So it's a tough environment at the moment for food businesses and for retail in general. But at the end of the day, the good brands will survive, and the customer is becoming more and more discerning, and hopefully if we can really execute well and make the most of that gap in the market, then I think we may be onto something.
Cineink.com